RP Power is your best off-utility power source. For over 35 years, we've strived to be #1 in client satisfaction for the power industry. A standby generator system protects you from serious life and economic issues resulting from power outages. As such, operational readiness less than 100% is not acceptable. Lack of routine maintenance is the principal reason sets fail during a power outage. It is foolhardy to assume a sophisticated piece of equipment can remain 100% operationally ready without any routine maintenance. The consequences of failure will significantly outweigh the maintenance costs. The RP Power teams are experts on generator maintenance and have developed planned maintenance procedures to dramatically improve operational readiness and the chances of failing to supply power to a critical application. The National Fire Protective Association, the recognized body for setting codes for power systems in critical facilities, has included in their NFPA 110 code detailed procedures for planned maintenance. Planned maintenance is not only the right thing to do, in many cases it is the required thing to do. One of the most common causes of failure and reduction in performance is insufficient attention paid to a system's diesel supply. Diesel left standing for extended periods degrades substantially to the point of becoming totally useless. Standby power systems are particularly susceptible to diesel fuel issues because their fuel source is left standing for several months. Diesel is particularly susceptible to denigration by water to further degrade the fuel and increase sediment accumulation in the base that can be sucked into the engine's fuel delivery system. If nothing else, a diesel tank should be kept full. At RP Power, we are very aware of diesel fuel-related issues and have developed a 4-step fuel maintenance program to prevent them. Step 1 is fuel top-off. Keeping your tank topped off will minimize water condensation on exposed surfaces within the tank. Scheduling fuel top-off as part of your planned maintenance schedule eliminates the requirement for fuel drop-offs from another vendor. Our service trucks can supply up to 100 gallons of fuel for each visit. Step 2 is to treat your diesel so that it's maintained in top condition. By covering the full spectrum of potential issues harmful to diesel, with 3 products we ensure the fuel is up to par and ready to deliver full engine performance. Our 3 products fight microorganism growth, prevent gelling, boost cetane levels, and stabilize the diesel. Additional benefits from treatment are added lubrication to the fuel and dispersion of any contaminants. Step 3 is fuel testing. During our service call, our Step 3 procedure samples the fuel to check for water contamination and any bottom sediment. The sample we take will also check the gel, flash, and cloud points. Checking will verify distillation and cetane levels. And our method meets ASTM standards laid down to comply with annual fuel testing as required by the NFPA. A simple dip test with a wax compound verifies if any water is present in the tank. Step 4 is the solution to fuel issues found during fuel testing. Our fuel polishing equipment removes any water and sediment from the tank. Filters within the equipment remove contaminants and strain water, with the fuel being shock treated. Step 4 is an economical and earth-friendly alternative to replacing fuel. All your fuel will be recycled with no loss of product. So remember the RP Power Fuel Maintenance Program. A full tank is best. Use Steps 1 and 2 top-off and treatment to prevent deterioration of your diesel and to maintain it in good condition. Use Steps 3 and 4 to check for fuel deterioration and correction should it be required. A standby power system cannot do its job without good fuel maintenance.